So this is from the beginning to measure 15. It's just D and first finger on the G throughout the entire thing. And then there's a part here at measure 11 where you play G, rest, rest, D, G, G. So it goes like this. Rest, rest. And make sure that when you play that second G in measure 12, it's a half note. So you want to play short, long, and hold the note. So rest, rest. Okay? So from 11 to 15 sounds like this. Rest, rest. Rest, rest, rest. That's pretty much it. From measure 15 to 31, the biggest issue is going to be the crescendo, which is from piano to forte, starting at 15. So you want to start soft. At the bottom of the notes, you see the piano, the P, and it has this little marking like this, and it goes up to forte, meaning to get louder as you play. So you start soft, like that, okay? The other part is called an arpeggio measure 17 and 18. Right at the end of 17 to the beginning of 18, it goes like this. Starts up, oh, by the way, which is left. So make sure you practice that a lot. Okay, and that's pretty much it, all the way up to 23, where you have to pluck, hold the bow like this. So you know how you'd normally be plucking. This part that's holding here is just literally holding the frog itself, and that way you're free to play thumb actually rested on the actual fingerboard, and you can pluck, no problem. So 23, rest, 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 rest. Super easy. C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, D, G, so 4, 4, 1, 1, open. Open A. Okay, and then after that, it's just like the beginning. At measure 31 to 37, it's pretty easy. Open G, first finger on G, and open D. That's pretty much it. 37 is where we have a lot of rhythm issues, so watch out for the rest. We're going to play G, rest, rest. You're going to do that like a couple of times, right? Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Until this last one where you go rest, open D, up bow, then G, G. So this is 2 measures before 43, where you play G, rest. Make sure you're holding the D, open D. So rest. Okay. 43 to 53, you have a section where you have to repeat pretty much part of the section, and you have what we call an alternate ending or a first and second ending. And the way this works is you play from 43 all the way to the first repeat. On the first ending, you'll see the little block with the number 1. You repeat back to 43. Then when you get to the block number 1, skip it. Don't play the block number 1 already. This is the alternate ending. You're going to skip over the alternate ending to second ending, which is where it has the block number 2. And then you would play 2 measures after that until you get to 53. So the way this goes is you start off with C on the G string, 4 fingers, open G, then open D, and watch out for the slur here, D, G, A, G. And this is all one bow going up. So down, up. You just have to, if you see my hand, it just consistently moves this way without stumbling. So, and this is the part that's moving, okay, to get that sound. Then you would continue. And at measure 49, this is the start of the first ending. So you go D, G, then C, G, A, B. And it's literally 4, open, 1, 3. But then you repeat back to 43. Watch the slur here. Jump to the second ending. Skip the first ending here. D, G, C, G, G. So 4, open, 4. Okay, this is measure 53 to about 70. It's completing the first page all the way up to the second page. Starts off with pluck at 53, so you're going to need to hold your bow again like this. Okay, so that way you're ready to pluck. And again, suggestion, go ahead and put your thumb onto the actual fingerboard and pluck with your pointer finger. It starts open A, G, A, G, A, then 4 fingers on the G string, then second finger on the D string. This is because it's F natural. This is because it's there's no sharps in the key signature. So if you were to look at your paper all the way to the left of the page, there's no sharps. But further up in the song there was sharps. So in this piece they're taking away sharps, they're bringing them back. So you just have to keep in mind what is happening in the music. So starting at 53, it starts A, G, A, G, A, C, F, A, B. So you'll have to practice that, okay? So after that, you get your bow ready for the arco section. Arco means bow. So don't forget to accent. This is rough, like we were playing rough, like that. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and at measure 61, pick up the note before you come in open G. Just like the beginning. 67 goes rest, rest. Don't lift. It's rest, down, up, down, rest, up, down, up. Then you go back to 4 fingers on the G string. And then there are 3 accents in the last measure here. Second finger, remember no F sharp. 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, 4. Okay, so you'll need to remember that. After that, then they add sharps in the key signature. You can see that on the top right corner. They're saying, okay, after this moment, now we're starting to play F sharps, and that's indicated in the key signature on the left side of the page after that moment. Okay, hope that helps.